Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a network on the application of iQIYI app. You will go to settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of iQIYI and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop. You will click OK here. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that, you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us.